Good evening, and welcome to Monsterpiece Theater. Tonight, we're proud to present blockbuster epic Dances with Wolves. Lots of action, lots of excitement, lots of buffaloes. And now, Dances with Wolves.
Everybody's dancing. Doesn't look like there's anybody left for me to dance with. Bummer.
Excuse me, want to dance?
Oh, my. Huh?
I said you want to dance.
Well, gosh, I don't know. You and I were so different from each other.
What do you mean, different?
Well, you're a wolf, and I'm a pig.
Yeah, so?
Well, you're so big, and I'm so little.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. I'm big and you're little. But you know, sometimes big people dance with little people. So?
And you're so purple.
Yeah, that's true, too. You never heard of purple people dancing with pink people?
Well, I guess. But I have these little teeny ears, and what big ears you have.
The better to hear the music with, my dear.
Yeah, makes sense. But, I have these tiny little eyes, and what big eyes you have!
The better to see where I'm going when I'm dancing.
Right. Yeah. But, what big teeth you have!
The better to eat some ice cream and cake when we're finished dancing. Oh, come on. What do you say? You and me, we're the only ones in this place not dancing. And just because we're different doesn't mean we can't dance together and have a good time. We both like to dance. We both like music.
Well, all right. Yeah. What's your name?
My name's Twinkle Toes. What's yours?
Oh, I'm called Dances with Two Left Feet.
Oh.
Oops. Sorry.
It's all right. Just follow me. And there you have it. Dances with Wolves. This talking with mouth full, saying, see you next time.